I tried making Domino's unthinkable pizza and I think the results are pretty phenomenal. I am going to share this recipe with you. Also, we are the first ones to share this recipe. So let's get started. To boiling hot water, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of soya granules. Give it a quick mix and let it boil for 2 minutes. Once the soya granules are cooked and soft, strain and remove the excess water. There will still be some absorbed water. We will squeeze that water out as well. Then transfer it to a bowl. We will add half a teaspoon of roasted clove powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 tablespoon of amchur powder, salt as required, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all of these ingredients together. Then we will add half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. You can add all of these ingredients at one go and then mix it. I missed out on these 2 ingredients earlier, so I'm adding it now. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of soda. This is regular cooking soda. Mix everything well. Then we will keep this aside. Add some makke ka atta or corn flour to your countertop. I will be making 2 small pizzas and I am going to link the recipe of the dough in the comments and the description section. That makes 2 small or 1 medium pizza. Cut the dough into half if you're making 2 small pizzas. Make smooth balls out of it. And then using this movement, start shaping your pizza dough. Transfer it to your baking sheet or your baking tray. Once we've shaped our pizza dough, we will add pizza sauce as required. I will add a link of the pizza sauce too in the comments and the description section. Some grated mozzarella cheese. Our prepared soya mixture. Then we will add red paprika, some sliced olives, in the end we will sprinkle some water on our pizza dough and bake and grill at 230 degrees for 10 to 11 minutes or until the cheese turns lightly golden. And that's it guys, our Domino's Unthinkable Pizza is ready. You will be shocked with the results and the resemblance. Do let us know what you think about this recipe. And if you liked our recipe, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing content.